Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We're following the toy hauler, the Luxe Toy Hauler, a luxury toy hauler. Check out this bedroom. Hardwood cabinetry. Where do you find hardwood cabinetry in a toy hauler? Absolutely amazing. These are all hardwood. Even the bottom are hardwood. Take a look at this. Dovetail drawers. Hardwood. So we go around here, we'll take a look. Everything is hardwood in here. You got a sneak TV back in there. It slides right out into the bedroom area. You got your prep for your washer and dryer in here. We can take a look at it. It's right behind the TV area. Yes, right in here. It's a little dark, you can see it. But hey, give us a call and ask some questions about this toy hauler. It's 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.